I got cloth in the middle of that, so.
Are you gonna show us? Show us how you get up. Show us how you climb up. You're excited. Dad, 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 dad.
Here she comes.
Let's see it. How do you learn this stuff overnight? You like wrinkling your nose lately.
You can get up? You just flirting.
Here we go.
Just figured that out.
Here we go. You gonna climb up? Yeah. She loves her Tia. Show us how you do it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see it.
Show us how you do it.
Show us. Carly's leading the church play over here.
Just trying to give her a little reassurance of which way we want her.
Come on, let's see it. You were doing it before. Yeah. Now you're going to be doing it all the time, too.
You're doing good so far.
You are about as cute as they get.
I think now that the camera's on, she might not do it just to be.
She'll
There
do
she
it.
goes.
She's just gonna. She got to warm up for it.
She's going. But dad, 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 dad. Dad, 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 dad.
Look at her wedge. That's
Here
sweet
we
little-
go, you little tuppy. Hi. Hi. You're so strong.
And you guys keep an eye on her from bumping her head on those bars.
You're so strong.
Yes,
Come
you
here,
are.
let's see you. Don't hurt your twofers.
That's not good for twofers.
You don't want to knock them out.
Look at
Look
that.
at you! Yay! 6 months old! 6 months old!
She's pretty proud of herself.
I gotta take a picture! You do such a good job!
You're so awesome.
You do such a good job!
You're awesome.
No.
You did